Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will understand the difference between the thread class and runnable interface in Java. This is a very common interview question in Java multi-threading. In Java, we can create a thread in two ways. The first way is by extending the thread class, and the second way is by implementing the runnable interface. In thread class, when we extend the thread class, we create a new class that inherits the thread class. Then we override the run method and start the thread using the start method. This is the example for the thread class. Let us try this example in IDE. So here we are extending the thread class. So here in this example, the class extend the thread class here. And in the run method contains the task. The run method is here we have written run method. This contains the task executed by the thread. And the start method begins to execution of the thread. Let's run this example. Okay, the output is showing the thread is running. Now, coming to the runnable interface, runnable is an interface in Java used to create the thread. We implement the runnable interface and override the run method. Then we pass the object to the thread class. This is the example for the runnable interface. Let's try this example in IDE. So here we are implementing the runnable. So here in this example, the class implements the runnable interface. Here the class is my thread and implements the runnable interface. Then we create an object. Here we are creating the object of the class and pass it to the thread constructor, and we are passing that object. Then we call the start method for the execution of the thread. Let's run this program. So the output is showing thread is running. Let us understand the key differences between a thread class and runnable interface. The main difference is that thread is a class while runnable is a interface. If we extend the thread class, we cannot extend any other class. But if we implement runnable interface, we can still extend another class. Which one is better? In most cases, runnable interface preferred because it allows better flexibility. It also supports multiple inheritance and separates the task from the thread. Let us see a simple real lifetime example. Uh, a simple enough example is a worker and a task. Thread represents the worker and enable represents the task the worker performs. To summarize, thread is a class and enable is the interface. Runnable is usually preferred because it provides more flexibility in the Java application. So these are some of the common interview questions. Make sure you understand when to use the thread class and when to use runnable interface. Difference between thread and runnable. Which one is better? Why runnable is preferred? If you found this video helpful, please help me to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In next video, we will learn thread methods in Java. Thank you for watching.